Welcome to Nava Disha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down BigQuery. It's an important idea in database. So, what is BigQuery? BigQuery is Google's serverless data warehouse for analyzing massive datasets with SQL. It's one of the core ideas in database. Here are the key things to know about BigQuery. First, columnar storage and Dremel query engine. Also, paper query pricing on demand or flat rate slots. Another key point, by engine for subsequent dashboards. On top of that, integration with Looker, Data Studio, Vertex AI. Finally, federated queries to external sources. And that's BigQuery in simple terms. Come back for another database concept tomorrow.